Para sa birthday ni Ace.
Well, they have these, but if any plates that you get, you can put them together and make them family.
Still close. Yan.
Obviously, you don't have the family.
Yan yung kanilang
Well, family just they basically
chicken
put them together, like
kebab.
the meats together, the rice is together, but you can choose any of the plates.
So she said, ask for family combo with chicken and beef kebab. Which one is that there here?
Chicken kebab and beef shish kebab.
Yeah, he said like family combo with chicken and beef kebab.
Oy, may lamb sila.
Yeah, so we have the number 3, which is the beef shish kebab and the chicken shish kebab. And then you could just say about for like how many people you could put like the basic package together.
Lamb shank.
Like the rice in a big tray. It depends on the one.
So what is this one here?
The top one is the number 2. That one's the beef.
Which one it includes here? Does it include pita bread?
Yes, so all the plates are gonna have rice and salad, half rice, half salad, a grilled tomato, pita bread, hummus, and then tuna.
Okay. Order muna tayo. Para sa birthday ni Ace, Persian style. Dito sa my Carson.
Like
6 to 8. Okay, you might want to get maybe like the number 1 and the number 4. Those are the bigger ones.
Do you have lamb?
Yes, the number 4 has lamb.
Which one is it? Here.
On the picture, it's that one right there, lamb.
Okay. I mean,
The bottom one.
So what is this one here? The number 1 is what?
Beef shish kebab, chicken shish
Baklava.
kebab, boneless chicken kebab, and a beef kobane.
What is that?
The meat, it's right here. This is the picture.
Oh.
So they'll give you this plate with like this, and then one of rice, and then one of salad.
Because you know, I ordered it here, and then they gave me so you don't have like the like the family combo.
They're not pre-made. They're like built to order.
Oh no, what I mean is I called, and then when I said about family combo, they know already the chicken and they.
So yeah,
But this one looks like I need to order like.
Ito,
but, you know,
ang Carson. Tagal-tagal na kami hindi nakapunta rito. Ito yung UCLA. Yan yung si Ate Minnie nag-work. Okay. Ano? Fish grill. Fiesta grill.